Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. In today's breakfast series, I'm going to show you how to make a chila made from besan, and I'm going to be grinding it along with some green peas and pudina. So essentially it's a green peas chila or the Matar Cheela. It's simple to make and wholesome, packed with protein and great breakfast dish. So let's begin. So to begin, I'm going to first start grinding, make a paste of the green peas. So I'm adding the steamed green peas here. And the pudina leaves, now add it in, the green chilies and the ginger. We'll add a little water and then grind it to make a nice smooth chutney-like consistency. Okay, now that's done, it's super smooth. I'm going to show you how to make this Matar Cheela. I have some besan here with me, which is gram flour. To this I'm going to add in the Matar and Pudina chutney mixture and another secret ingredient, which is the grated paneer. Yes, it makes the chila nice creamy and tastes really good as well. And I'm going to add turmeric powder, cumin powder. You can also add a little bit of chaat masala if you want, or red chili powder. I'm going to add salt to taste. I'm going to add water and then mix all of them until you get a nice smooth thick batter, which is good enough for spreading a chila. So now this is the consistency of the batter you need. It is not thick, but it is still flowing, and it's perfect for spreading. Because we have added paneer, it'll be a little of thicker consistency. Don't worry about it, but it'll be easy to spread. So if you find it difficult to spread, then maybe you should add a little more water and then try spreading again. Okay, so now that all this is mixed, I'm going to go preheat the pan and then start making the chila. So because I've added paneer to the chila batter, the chila cannot be spread out very thin, because when you try to flip it and cook it on the other side, it will break. So what I'm going to do is to make it like a uttapam, but more, maybe a little thinner, but not as thin as a traditional chila that you would make. Okay. So I'm just going to spread it and keep it a little thick. Okay, don't make it too thin. So it's easy to flip over, because paneer will make the chila very soft. Okay. This is perfect. It's not too thick and it's not too thin, and just the right consistency. I'm going to drizzle some oil. So now you cook the chila. Once you notice the top is steamed, you flip it over and cook it on the other side. And once you start finding golden brown spots on both sides, it's ready to serve your chila. So the Matar and Paneer chila is now served, and it's soft. So it takes a little bit of practice to get the chila out of the pan and then fold it and put it on a plate, because it's extremely soft. So I'm going to slice up some bananas and place it on my plate, and we'll serve it along with some tomato garlic chutney and some green chutney as well. Okay, so this tomato garlic chutney is simple to make, where I just roasted the garlic along with some green chilies, ginger, and then sauteed the tomatoes as well, and then ground it into a fine puree. And this is the green chutney, where I've added garlic into it. It's the lasan pudina chutney. So where I have simply ground the fresh garlic along with mint leaves, green chili, and then made into a puree. I also added some roasted peanuts into the chutney, so it adds a lot of flavor. So now that's a beautiful looking breakfast bowl, don't you think? Do give this recipe a try, because the paneer as well as the green peas and all of that into the chila adds to the protein as well as the taste and nutrition, making it a wholesome breakfast. Serve it along with some chai, or along with a cup of coffee, and enjoy a weekend breakfast with your family. So when you do, don't forget to share your feedback in the comments below, because I'll always be looking to hear back from you. So until then, until next time, happy cooking and healthy eating.